Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to configure Modbus RTU using the 2080 SERIALISOL module, guys. For the first open software CCW, guys, you must wait that software CCW loading because software CCW is very slow, guys. Okay, if that software opened, you can create new folder. Click Controllers. Click Micro 850 and select the CPU 2080 L50E 48QWB. And then click Select and Add to Project. So, you must add the module 2028 SERIALISOL to the Modbus serial configuration at the controller. Click Add-in, Plug-in Modules, and right-click in Empty, and then select the module 2080. Click Communication and select the 2080. So for the configuration, you can follow these steps. Change driver to Modbus RT. Then change the Modbus role to slave and leave the unit address as default. Then, you must add the Modbus address for communication between the module 2080 SERIALISOL and the field instrument. For example, I create an integer tag with 10 dimensions, so I have 10 tags for the Modbus address. Now, input the integer tag that we previously created into the Modbus mapping. Once we input the tag, it will appear in the Modbus mapping table with the Modbus address ranging from 40,001 to 400010. And then build the program. Once the program is built with no errors, we can create a function to simulate the Modbus communication. To do this, right-click on the program, select Add, then choose Function Block Diagram. Open the function. Open the toolbox from the right side to add the variables and the move function. Add 5 function, move to program, and create the dummy tag for transfer data from the Modbus arrays. In the input function, move add the dummy tag, and for output, add the Modbus arrays. After you create the program, you can build and download it. After downloading to the PLC and it's running, you can proceed to the next step. Open the device manager and check the Modbus communication port. In this case, my Modbus communication port is COM4, and after you know it, you can open the Modbus simulation software. So, set it to length equals 10, address equals 1, and function code 04 input register. Then, connect it to the PLC. Before you connect it, you must check the COM port, and after you check it, you can connect. Thanks for watching.